Cletus. Yes, come to the sitting room now. Be fast, please. Okay. Make sure you lock the gate, oh. Don't leave my gate open. Flex! Flex!
Sir!
Come. Be fast.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir. This one, you are with bag. Are you traveling, sir?
Yes, I am traveling.
Eh.
I got an urgent call yesterday to be in Abuja by 12 noon today, so I really need to be there.
That is urgent.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. One travel?
Yes, I'm traveling. How are you?
Okay, good morning. Okay, good morning. You know if you knock door before you go enter inside this house.
Okay, no, already open now.
Door open.
Cletus.
Okay.
The reason why I called you and Flex here is because, as you can see, I am traveling. I got a very important call from the office yesterday to represent in a board meeting in Abuja today by 12 noon. And my flight is for 9:30 a.m.
Oh, wow.
So, and it's only the both of you that are staying with me in this house.
Yes, sir.
Cletus,
Okay.
you know that you're the chief security of this house.
Can I work with that now?
And your duty is to make sure that everything is perfectly kept in order.
No, there's people. I will take care of everywhere for you.
That is good. And Flex, you
Sir.
also know that you are the chief chef of this house.
Yes, sir.
It simply means that everything that goes in and comes out of our mouth comes from you.
Yes, sir.
All right. Please, as I am leaving now.
Okay. You could retire and make him they give me plenty food.
What does it say?
Maybe I don't tell you about this Uka printy this thing. Oga, he say may you tell me. Make I dey give am plenty food.
Kunwa?
Yeah, me I no hear that one.
Basically, the reason why I called the both of you is just to inform you I'm traveling. And please, make sure my house is well taken care of.
No problem.
I am begging you in the name of God.
No problem, no problem.
Are you there dey talk to na me where dey inside house?
Cletus.
Can't say make I take care of everywhere now.
Cletus.
Okay.
You know you met Flex in this house.
Yes, okay.
And that simply means you need to respect him while I'm away.
Yes, okay.
Oga, you need to repeat that talk. Make him hear am well. Make sure you respect.
I don't hear.
That's good. And Flex, make sure everything is intact. If you need anything, call me online.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
Cletus. Alpha.
Fine.
Why you dey look me like person where we get issue?
No, why I no go rook you? Why I no go rook you? When I carry here now, you dey rule I say you be because Oka carry to call you Oka. Okay, come dey carry show Rabi. Why I no go rook you?
You know see you no get sense. You no be me dey this house before you. I no be your oga. The thing be say, you know say me I be IQ man. I get idea. I get idea. And then idea be say, as oga no dey around so, where chance don dey for us. Let us change oil.
Change oil. You don't be mechanic. No, which day you come be mechanic now where you go change oil?
Why be say una no dey ever dey get sense? That is why everything about una na gate for food and other thing. Okay, wetin I mean be say make we free our waist.
Free your waist. Who rock am?
Oh God. God, why you dey carry me dey jam these people?
No, first you come, you say you want change oil. Now you say you want free your waist. Who rock the waist? Who rock am?
Oh God. See, wetin I mean be say as oga no dey around now, let us bring women to the house to come and service us.
Hey! I hear me, tèmi, bá mi.
That one kuro.
IQ.
You can IQ.
Cletus. Alpha.
Fine.
My girl said she know they come again.
What's happen now?
She said she's on her period.
In my own day, Roro, she will come now.
You have to cancel. You have to cancel her coming.
Cancel?
Yes.
Now, Uber, you receive few woman being what tells you come, say make her cancel.
My girl no they come. Your own no go come.
She will come now. She will road.
Who they knock?
Who be that? But make her check the gate. Who they knock like that now? Na my Keru.
Now wait.
Na my Keru. She don't come. Let's go.
Jesus! Cletus!
Huh?
So you have started again? Allez, no
What's in the again now?
Cletus! Say your God don't want you. Come here. Cletus, you! See, this guy, very bad guy. He impregnated 17 girls. When they bring them on this house, he ran away. They will bring him again. He will run. Let me even ask you, what are you even doing with this kind of guy? Someone that cannot even offer you anything. His salary is 2.5. Are you going to be sustaining with 2.5? I'm just telling you now. Someone like me, they are paying me 12,500 naira. At least I can share my salary and give you 6,250.
Are you serious?
So you have to go with someone like me. And this house now, I am the boss for now. So I don't know what you are thinking.
Let me go and tell him that I'm not interested.
In that one, I'll tell him you are not interested anymore.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs.
Uchechi, what's in that one they tell you now? Come.
You know, shut up.
Don't worry.
You said she know.
Don't worry.
She said she's not interested anymore.
What in Aru now? Uchechi, I talk am. Say this can get. Now yesterday now get this girl.
Cletus. Hey, what is this guy doing now? Cletus.
What happened?
He asked me what happened. Where you go?
I call you toilet now.
You go use toilet.
The ladies they turn me since morning.
Belle they turn you.
Yes.
What to make Belle they turn you?
I don't know. I the food I chopped yesterday. I don't know.
Who? My own food, I be another person's food.
Now your food now, I not chop any other thing yesterday. Yesterday through I no go outside. Now food I eat for here.
Now you know what you eat. I beg, say go buy me protection.
What be protection?
Ha! You don't know what be protection. Okay, go buy me rubber.
Okay, rubber. You want use some bath? Cause I see you with towel for worry.
You know say woman dey with me for inside house. You know say na condom I dey talk about?
Hey!
Go buy me condom.
I'll go buy condom. Fresh, make a go buy condom.
My name is not Oga Fresh. My name is Oga Flex.
For my woman who call, make a go buy condom. No problem now. Say you do your own now, everything they okay. No problem. I'll go buy condom. Now Oka say now you be my Oka. Okay, just go buy condom.
You better be fast too. Hey! 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 Wow! You can see the bed. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's okay.
While they are getting the condom ready, we can be doing some play so that our body and soul should be in the mood. Yes. So when do I start from? Where normally turn you on the most? Anywhere. Electric. Cletus.
Yes.
Which one you say you dey knock? Like you want spoil the door? You don't buy the condom? What dey worry this boy? All say na kiss. I no be very use you go buy. You no get sense. You dey vex because say this. You want break the door because of that I send you message. You want to do like you are living. Yeah.
You be mumu.
Jesus.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Yes, sir. Cletus, is this my room or a hotel room?
Kana your room.
And that's my picture.
Yes, Nana.
Sir, you know my own bedroom, the water is having issues, so I just let me come and bathe.
You should let you come and bathe. And there's a woman putting on white towel on top of my bed, and you are also putting on towel.
Oh no, me I want to bathe. This one is Cletus babe.
Which Cletus?
Flex, come like this. Come, go on top of the bed. Just
Asami
climb the
again?
bed. On top of the bed. Flex, who is this and what is she doing on top of my bed?
No sir, I wanted to bathe.
You wanted to bathe?
Yes
You think
sir.
say they
As
wise?
for you, what is your name?
Uchechi.
Your name is Uche Onye.
Uchechi.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? And from your face, look at so innocent.
Very small thing.
And I'm not sure if you're up to 15 years. And here you are happily putting on towel, waiting for this man to come and devour you.
The full ancestor now.
Don't you know that this man is old enough to be your father? Is it because he's been trapped in children's body? Flex,
Sir,
where did you pick this baby from?
this is Cletus babe. Cletus
I don't know how.
brought her to the house.
And you're still sitting on my bed. Before I open and close my eyes, now make sure you're on your way home. Go and help your parents and do something.
The what? When I'm not mad. Have I done anything?
That's great.
Flex, why are you this wicked?
Sorry sir, it is the devil doing sir.
This is not the devil, this is your own doing. You did not even see someone at your age level. Cletus, and why must you open the gate for Flex to come inside with this small girl?
I know them. Maybe now when you say make I go buy something across.
So, if I had not missed my flight, this is what you and Cletus normally do in my house.
No sir, it's only Cletus that said he is bringing woman.
Cletus is bringing woman and you're the one on towel, ready for action. On top of my bed, Flex. So, and you allowed him bring a woman inside this house.
Now you say make I respect him now. Say now him the senior. That's when they come they drag me.
And you, Flex, you did not even take the woman to your room. Why must it be my bedroom?
I'm sorry sir. The thing is my own. If I lie down, it will go down, up, and your own is very, very strong.
You right strong one, Abi.
Flex, before I close and open my eyes, make sure you're out of this premises.
Okay, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Okay, say make you dey go.
Make sure you're out of this room. Not even getting out of this room. Go inside your room, pick everything that belongs to you, and leave. I don't want to see you again, please.
Come dey go now. Okay, say make a yakam. Make a yakam.
Are you still here, Flex?
Oh God, wait. Are you serious?
I am very, very serious. I have never been this serious in my entire
I never
life.
see Robert like this before. Come dey go.
Sorry, oh, may God not allow them, make them kill you.